Today's class is accounting treatment under GST. See, purchased goods for cash, intrastate, interstate. I already said what is the difference between intrastate and interstate. Intrastate within a state, interstate between the state. Okay. So purchase account data. So intrastate, we have to pay CGST, SGST. Interstate, we have to pay IGST. Got it? So purchase of goods, cash and credit, purchase account data to input CGST, input SGST to cash. See, accounting treatment under GST, the purchase of goods for cash, interstate. Here, purchase account data, input input IGST account data to cash account. Sold goods for cash, intrastate. Under intrastate, we know that cash account data to sale account to CGST, SGST. Sold goods for cash, cash account data to sale account to IGST, because this comes under interstate. Bought an asset for cash. Bought an asset for cash, intrastate. Intrastate means furniture account data, input CGST account, input SGST to cash account. Insurance premium paid, intra. So insurance account data, input CGST, input SGST to cash. In case of income, commission received. Commission received. So cash account data to commission received to output CGST to output SGST. For example, commission received 5,000. You have to reduce the tax. The remaining amount only you have to receive. Okay. For example, commission received 5,000 means 4,500 only exactly received amount. CGST amount is 2.5. Output SGST amount is 2.5. Okay. See, this is very important column. Additional information as per rules effect from 1st February 2019, the following rules will apply for tax payment. So payment for SGST, first set off from IGST, then set off from SGST. The second, the payment for CGST, first set off from IGST, then set off from CGST. So the first payment for IGST, you have to first set off IGST, then set off from CGST and SGST. I will show you how to use this column, the forwarding slide. Set off against SGST. Set off against SGST. See the column, set off against SGST, first IGST, then SGST. Now see, output SGST account data to input IGST to input SGST. Now you can clear through this slide. See the set of SGST. First you have to set off. You pay if see first payment of SGST. Before you start to pay, you have to pay the input IGST, then input SGST. The output SGST is set off first from input IGST and then from input SGST as per the set of rules by GST Council. Okay. Accounting treatment under set off against CGST. Set off against CGST. Output CGST account data to input IGST. First you have to listen IGST, then you have to listen CGST. So output CGST account data to input IGST to input CGST. The input CGST is set off the first from input IGST and then from input CGST as per set of rules by CGST Council. Set off against IGST, output IGST account data to input IGST, to input CGST account, to input SGST account. The output IGST is set off first from input IGST and then from input CGST and inputs SGST as per the set of rules by CGST Council. Final settlement through CGST. Final settlement, output CGST account data, output SGST account data, output IGST account data to electronic cash ledger. So finally, we cleared our settlements through settlement column. In case excess amount in output CGST, output SGST and output IGST account after set off. So this entry, if we have excess amount all in our tax account, they will return it. Okay, so output CGST account data, output SGST account data, output IGST account data to electronic cash ledger. Likewise, they will return our tax. The final payment through CGST portal. Say electronic cash ledger account data to bank account. If we have further, if we have further payment for CGST, IGST, SGST, you have to pay additional amount. Okay, like this situation, you have to place this entry, electronic cash ledger account data to bank account. Set of rules under GST. If input tax credit is higher than output tax, set of rules. What we have passed out now, the set of rules under GST. What is the meaning of set of? What situation we have to use the tabular, the set of tabular. If input tax credit is higher than output tax, the balance amount will be carried forward to the next month to set off, and it will be transferred to the separate account. It's called electronic credit ledger. Okay, they will not return. If the input tax credit is higher than the output tax, the tax balance amount will be carried forward to the next month, like our ledger.